for us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down? 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an all-day motivational clean with me. So let's get started. Right now, I'm just cleaning my living room, just straightening it up a little bit because I am going to be deep cleaning my carpet and the top part of my couch cushions, like the top part. I am going to be shampooing them with my carpet cleaner that I got. I will be showing you that in a minute and what products I'm using in that for the solution. So right now I'm just taking all the cushions off. I already washed the cushions covers a day ago, so I decided to just do the top part of my couch to show you guys because I've been doing this for 2 months now, ever since I got my carpet cleaner, and it's the best. It's the Bissell Revolution pet carpet cleaner, and I love it. And right now I'm just vacuuming inside of the couch, getting all the dust out, so you know, all the crumbs and stuff. And I'm gonna be vacuuming the top of my couch because right here is where my cat sleeps and all his fur gets right here. And I'm just gonna be doing that, and I'm also gonna be vacuuming the carpet because, like I said, I'm gonna be cleaning it with the carpet cleaner. And yeah, I'm just doing that until I get my solution ready for my carpet.
I'm thinking more of her. She wants to study your body.
So right here, you guys, is my carpet cleaner. It's the Bissell Revolution Pet Carpet Cleaner, and this is the solution I'm going to be using today. This is my first time using the Zep. I heard great things about it, so I was like, let me try it for myself. I always use the antibacterial, and I added a little bit of the Downy Unstoppables just to give it that nice, fresh, clean scent, and it smells so good afterwards. You guys, just add a little bit just for the smell, you know, to give that freshness to your couch, and it smells so good and it's lasting. So I was like, yes, I'm so happy I did this. But right now I'm just putting a little bit of the solution on the top part of the cushion, just a little bit. I'm not trying to soak it, you guys, because it's just a light cleaning, just lightly. I'm cleaning it lightly, not a lot. It doesn't need it right here, it doesn't, but later when I clean the corner of the couch, you will see that it was a bit dirty. It was really dirty. So but this part wasn't, so I'm just cleaning it lightly. It took about, I would say, an hour or hour and a half to dry, so it wasn't that bad. If I was you, I would clean it when, you know, no one would be in the living room for like that amount of time. I just have my kids go in their room, you know, to play and watch TV in there until I was done in here. And yeah, you guys, I love this. I've been doing this for 2 months, like I said, once a week, and it's just been keeping my couch so fresh. I love doing this, and I just love the smell afterwards. Like I said, this is my first time doing the Downy Unstoppables in there though, and I have to say that I am so excited that I did it because it smells so good and it's just refreshing afterwards. couch was so dirty. I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe how dirty this was. As you can see, the dirt coming off. I'm like, oh my gosh, I couldn't believe how dirty this was. It's like, first of all, I don't know how. Clean this like once a week, and I'm like, I don't know how it got dirty that fast. That's why you guys don't beat yourself up if your house, if you see dirty spots and you clean, you clean, and it just get right back dirty. It's okay, it happens. That's why we clean the way we do, and it's okay. So I was just so surprised how dirty that part was of my couch. Every part of my couch was not this dirty. Like, the water was coming out wasn't even dirty. So I was just surprised at how dirty this part was, but it's okay. It happens. Okay guys, this is my favorite part to do, which is cleaning my rug. I love doing this. It's just so satisfying to me. So right now I'm just carpet cleaning this. I do this once a week as well. I try not to do this as often because it doesn't get dirty, but as you can see, the water is just like I said, it just amazes me how you think that a part of your house is clean and it's not. So I do this once a week, and it's so satisfying to me. Also, if you don't know, I have a cat and I have a dog, and she's a little Yorkie, and I have a cat. He's 6 and she's 2. And as you can see, the hair, oh my god, the hair is coming out this rug. It just, I'm like, oh, it happens all the time. So that's why I do this once a week, because they love laying on here. She does not have accidents on here, nor does my cat. They are well trained, but it's just the hair. That's the only thing, it's the hair. So I have to do this once a week, or when I have company, so it won't look so like a hairy rug, So, but it's so satisfying. I do not mind doing it. I love cleaning this rug, and also the carpets in my room and my kids' room. So it's just so satisfying to me, and it's just to keep it clean and make sure that it's safe and okay for my kids and my pets to lay and play on. Now I'm going to be putting back the couch cushions on my couch and cleaning the coffee table and doing my daily cleaning routine. Now I'm going to be spraying this Unstoppable fabric spray on my couch. It smells so good, you guys, and I was running out, but I got an extra bottle, and it just makes it smell so good. Like, I love it. As you guys know, I do use my own fabric spray, but I had to use this. When I bought it, I was like, oh yes, 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 yes. So I think I will be making my own in the future, and I will be doing a video on that, how I make it. But for now, I'm using this spray bottle. I have an extra one, so yeah, I have to make sure that I use all of that. So right now I'm just cleaning off my table. You guys, I have to throw away these placemats because you know, back in my older Clean With Me, one of my videos, I was telling you guys that my husband spilled his hot sauce on my placemats and I couldn't get it out. So I was like, you know what, instead of buying more placemats where they can get ruined, I am just going to be I just bought a table runner and put another centerpiece in the middle of my table. It's very cute. I got it at Marshall's, and you know, it's just gonna be better that way because I just couldn't take it. I was like, there's no way that I can take that stain out. So I just bought a new table runner and a centerpiece for my table, and it actually looks cute for the summer. I really do like it. So right now I'm just going to be cleaning my kitchen, which was a total mess. Oh my gosh, it was just a mess. So I'm just cleaning this up. It's like I don't know, I can't explain it. Like, I don't mind cleaning like a large mess like this, because like I said, the aftermath is just so satisfying, just to see like all your work be completed and you're finally done. But sometimes it just amazes me how fast my house gets so messy, because my kids are older now. I know back then it was just like, okay, I get it, because I had so much to do, you know, with them being so little. But now that they're older, it's just still messy. So it just amazes me, but I do not mind. You know, I just don't mind taking care of my house and, you know, my kids and my husband, and myself as well. I just like doing it. It doesn't bother me as much. It just amazes me how fast it gets so messy and dirty. But yeah, so I'm just washing the dishes, and yeah. You guys, this has become my new favorite. This is the Dawn dish soap spray, and I have to say I am in love with it. It smells so good. I think this is the fresh scent. I have also used the apple scent, and that smells good as well, but I like the fresh scent better. And I have to say I love it. It cleans so good, but I also have to have my water soap right here, as you can see in my in my bowl right here. It's just a habit. I have to have that with a little bit of bleach, you know, so I know that it's disinfected. But I have to say the spray is also good. I just love the smell, and I like the way it cleans. So yeah, that's my new favorite.
Your skin, just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, it's the smile on your face, and as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place, and without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart, together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always, always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do, it's the things you do, baby. And it's the smile on your face, smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. It's the things
goodness, look at this clean sink. It's just amazing. So you guys have reached the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and join the family. And like and comment. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.